Now, I want to discuss with you briefly some of the elements of design. What that means is, what are the components of a design? Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. If you dissect a design and you study the components, one of the elements is something that we call silhouette. Here's another new word for you guys, right? Silhouette is the shape of your design, almost like a shadow. If you were standing in the sun and wearing a certain flared skirt, what would that shape or that shadow look like on the ground? By definition, a silhouette is the image of a person matching the outline of the subject. Another element is proportion. For example, putting a jacket over a skirt. A short jacket versus a long jacket over a skirt will give you a different look, a different proportion. Another element is color. Again, looking at fabrics, what color or colors are you using for your collection? Do they work well together? Another thing to keep in mind, very important, this is the theme of your collection. What is your collection about? What is it inspired by? If you had to summarize the theme in one word, what would that word be? What is your inspiration? As you sketch, you are now creating a group. Several groups put together will ultimately become your collection.